This is a video about labeling your keyboard sheet for today. Start by putting your name. The first step we're going to do is label all of the white keys. This is something you did yesterday, so I think you'll do just fine on this part. We have to find C. C starts by a group of two black keys, then directly to the left. So this will be C, and you write C. Then continue to label just the white keys. Label all of them in alphabetical order. So it'd be C, D, and then continue. So at this time, pause the video and label all of the white keys. After you've labeled the white keys, we're going to do number 3 and number 4. 3 and 4. Since you've labeled all your keys, you'll be able to identify what this key, the one number 3 is pointing to, is. It's going to be A, B, C, D, E, F, or G. It's not going to be a sharp or a flat. It's just going to be the plain letter by itself because it's a white key. So whatever plain letter you have labeled, you put for number 3. Number 4 is the same thing. It's not going to be flat or sharp. It's just a plain A, B, C, D, E, F, or G. Whatever you have here, you'll put in number 4. Next, we're going to do number 7 and number 10. So here's 7 we'll do, and here's 10 we'll do. For number 7, it's the same idea. Whatever letter you have written for this white key, put here. It's not going to be flat or sharp. It'll just be A, B, C, D, E, F, or G. Next, we'll go down to number 10. Again, this is a white key, so it's not going to be a flat, it's not going to be a sharp. It's just the letter A, B, C, D, E, F, or G. Then you write that. We're going to go back to number 1 now and start labeling our black keys. The first step to labeling a black key is to see what white keys are around it. This is our first black key. The white keys around it are C and D. I can use C and D to figure out this black key. The first thing I'm going to think is I know this black key is a little bit lower than the note D. This way is lower. Lower means flat. So since this key is lower than D, it's going to be D flat. So I wrote the letter D, and you already have the flat sign there. Now we're going to do this blank. I have to figure out what kind of sharp this key will be now. I'm still going to use C and D to do that. This black key is a little bit higher than C. So this way is higher. Since this is higher than C, I'm going to write C sharp. So number 1, there are 2 letters that you need to write in here. I'm going to get you started on number 2 and see how you do on the rest. So for number 2, we again have to find out what white keys surround this black key. So I'm going to take a second and label the rest of my white keys. You've already done this since you paused the video earlier. Okay. So for number 2, here's my black key. The white keys surrounding it are G and A. I can use these 2 keys to figure out this one. First, I'm going to think this black key is lower is this way, than A. Since it's lower than A and flat means lower, I'm going to put A flat. For the sharp, I know this key is a little bit higher than what? What is this key a little bit higher than? Remember, higher is this way. So whatever key that's higher than, you put here. At this point, I'm going to ask you to do 5 and 6 by yourself and then come on up and see me. Good luck.